spaghetti. I don't use any pork, so it'll be a porkless recipe. I'm just making spaghetti and a meat sauce, which will contain turkey, pepperoni, and ground beef. I'm waiting for my boyfriend to get back from the store, so right now I'm just cooking the noodles. So I'm only going to make like half of these noodles because for some reason all I could find was the big box. Usually I'll make one box for the night that I'm preparing the food, and then I'll have another box saved for me just in case we run out of noodles. So you're just going to grab a handful of noodles. You can use as many as you want. I only use half of that box. And then I'm going to save the other half of the noodles for when we run out of these noodles. And in the clip that you're about to watch, you're about to see me cut up, you're about to see what I use in my veggies. You're going to see me cut up parsley, onions, peppers. You're going to see what type of seasonings I use. And you're going to see what type of sauce I use. Alright, let's get right into the video. Let's go. So I'm going to start by doing a 4-way cut into the pepper. Ultimately getting the seeds out of the middle. Everybody gets to the seeds a different way. Everybody cuts the pepper a different way. So you want to start off by cutting the pepper vertically. Until you have thin pieces. And then you want to then go horizontally until you have little diced pieces of peppers. So I'm also cutting up a jalapeno pepper as well. The store that I went to, I usually get actually a habanero pepper that I like to cook with, but I didn't get to go to that main store that I go to, so I settled for a jalapeno pepper instead. And I've also put jalapenos in my greens before, so I know that the taste will be nice and spicy, but not too overpowering. I also learned working with hot peppers, you definitely want to rinse your hands after cutting up the hot pepper because you don't want to get it in anything else that you're touching because you might get it in your eye and it really burns. Also, you want to be washing all of your veggies before you're cutting and using them. So I will also be using an onion as well. So I have the orange pepper, the jalapeno, the green pepper, the onion, and everybody slices and dices their onions a different way as well. I start by making the slices first. And then I pick out how much I need. Usually I don't use the whole onion because the onions I get at the supermarket are really big. And I'm usually only cooking for 2 people. So you can put as much veggies in as you want. But then I will dice those up into smaller pieces. You can make them as big or small as you want as well. And lastly, I will be cutting up some parsley. I actually had some leftover parsley in the refrigerator, and I just decided to put that in my dish because I like parsley. I usually begin with my noodles first so I can set them aside to chill while I'm preparing the sauce. I usually use Portoli, but Classico was on sale and it's just as good. I usually get like a 4 cheese flavor. They have your tomato and basil, just like a regular flavor. And then they have roasted onion and garlic flavor. And then for my 4th one, I just got another 4 cheese. Pepper, along with my onions and veggies that I cut up. Soap. My mom likes to use sea salt. It is healthier, but I currently just don't have sea salt right now. Mrs. Dash, extra spicy seasoning. I like spice, a little spice. Morton's all seasoned, so any type of Italian seasoning. Now my boyfriend doesn't eat any pork, so I use ground beef. You can also use ground turkey, obviously. And I'm going to drain the noodles as well and rinse them with cool water.